Here, let me show you guys something with Peanut. So, he does very well if he tries to bite me, like legit try to bite me. He'll or anyone. He's very friendly. Like if I say ow, or if I like hey, like tell him hey stop, like kind of like that, he'll immediately stop and he'll give me a little kiss on the spot where if he tries to bite me. So he's pretty gentle overall. Let me just take the ball from him for a minute. No. Well, he really wants it. You know, I'll just throw it. But here, let me show you something. I should have done this a second ago, but here, watch. Now I'm gonna pretend that he's legit trying to bite me. Ow! Hey, no biting. See? Show you again. Ow! Good boy, good boy. See? That's just his little reaction. Here, let me throw the ball. Hey. Let me zoom in on him. See, he's gotten a lot bigger since last time. When you first saw him in July of last year. We got him around this time of year. It's June right now. Or the beginning of June of 2020. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. If you guys like videos like this of my puppy, or making videos of my dog, if you guys like this, put in the comments below if you guys like this, and I'll make more of these if you guys like it. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and that's it.